Westminster Shorter Catechism, question and answer 37. First the question, Quaestio trigesima et septima, quae nama Christo beneficia in morte percipiunt fideles? Responsio, animae fidelium in morte fiunt perfecte sanctae, protinus in gloriam transferuntur, corpora vero usque Christo unita in sepulchris ad resurrectionem usque quiescunt. Fideles is masculine plural and nominative as the subject of percipiunt. The object of percipiunt is beneficia in the neuter plural and accusative. Beneficia in turn is modified by the interrogative adjective quae nam in the same gender, number, and case. Now the answer, the souls, animae, feminine plural and nominative, as the subject of fiunt. The souls of believers, masculine plural genitive, at the time of death, become or are made perfectly, completely holy, sanctae. Perfecte is an adverb, and sanctae is the predicate of animae joined by fiunt. They immediately, protinus, straight away, protinus, into glory are conveyed or transferred. So transferuntur is a third plural, present indicative passive, from the irregular verb transfere, like so. They immediately are passed, conveyed, carried into glory, in gloriam, but their bodies, corpora, and this is neuter plural and nominative because it's a subject of quiescunt, but their bodies, usque Christo unita, united, unita still unto Christ. Now unita is neuter plural and nominative because it is modifying corpora, and Christo is masculine, singular, and dative. The dative being used here with this adjective unitas aum, being still united to Christ in their graves in sepulchris, and sepulchris is neuter plural and ablative of place, a local ablative, ablativus localis, in their graves unto the time of resurrection, all the way up to the resurrection, they rest, quiescunt. Quiescunt is a third plural, present indicative active from the third conjugation verb quiescere.